Hi, my name's Ryan, owner of Wisconsin Exteriors. I wanted to start off by saying thank you for trusting us with your roofing project. We're incredibly excited to serve you and your family with a new roof that'll last for a lifetime and protect what matters most. Now, we understand that doing a large project like this, it can be stressful for some homeowners. So we wanted to take you through our 8-step process on production day to eliminate any uncertainty you may have during the process. Let's jump into it. Step 1 is delivery. We're going to reach out to you when the project is going to start. The night before or the morning of, we're going to deliver a dumpster so the crew can get started right away in the morning. Depending on the job site, materials will either be delivered on the ground or roof loaded on top of your roof. Typically this happens on the same day as the project, but sometimes it can happen the day before. Next is the arrival. The installers are going to arrive to your home to make sure that we're not blocking any of your vehicles so you can come and go as you please. But we will need access to the driveway for the day of the install. Next is the setup and protection. We kindly ask that everything below the roof line be moved away to protect your property from any falling debris. This includes grills, patio furniture, flower pots, and any decorations you may have. Once the setup and protection is set, we're going to start the process of tearing off the old roofing materials. During this part of the process, we're going to find out if there's any water damaged decking. This is one part of the inspection that we can't fully determine until the old roof comes off. But if there is any rotted deck, we're going to cut those areas out and replace to ensure a nailable surface per local building codes and per your manufacturer's specifications. Step 5 is to clear off the roof, blow out the gutters, and get ready for the install. Step 6, we're finally ready for the install. The first thing that goes down is the ice and water. This is a peel and stick membrane that goes down by the gutters to prevent any water from ice damming getting into your home. Next is the synthetic underlayments. This covers the rest of the roof. Then we replace all of the edge metals, the drip edge, and the gutter apron to ensure a nice clean finish on the edges of the roof. From there, we put down the starter shingles. This is the first shingle on the roof that seals down the perimeter of the roof. From there, the actual shingles themselves go down. Then we finish up the roof with any ventilation that needs to be addressed, and of course, the ridge cap shingles. All right, we're off to step 7. Now we start getting off the roof. We blow off any debris that may be up there from the install. We start packing up all of our tools and our equipment, and we start cleaning up the old roof debris on the ground. From there, we're going to run some really strong magnets around the grass to make sure that we grab every nail that we can possibly get. Step 8, the final inspection. This is where we do our quality check. We take final photos, we inspect all the penetrations and flashings, and any other area that might be prone to leaks to ensure everything was installed correctly. Congratulations on your beautiful new roof, and thank you for trusting Wisconsin Exteriors.